A few years ago, dropshipping looked like the easiest way to make money online. People were launching Shopify stores, selling random products, and claiming they were making thousands overnight. But here's the reality: most dropshipping stores fail. In fact, the vast majority never really make any meaningful money. So in this video, I want to break down why, and more importantly, what people get completely wrong when starting a dropshipping business, and what they actually should be doing. Now, one of the biggest reasons dropshipping stores fail is simple. People think it's easy. You've probably seen a lot of videos that are talking about make £10,000 a month and get started in a day, or find a winning product instantly with no time investment whatsoever. But the videos don't ever really show the reality of how to actually make a dropshipping store remotely successful. And that's because running a successful store requires marketing, customer service, product research, branding, logistics, problem solving. It's not passive income because it's running a real business. And another massive reason as well why so many of them fail is product selection. So many beginners, they pick products based on TikTok trends, random AliExpress items, or viral products that are already really saturated. And the problem with this is by the time a product goes viral, thousands of other stores are already selling it. And when everyone sells the same thing, prices drop, ad costs rise, and profit disappears. So successful stores, they usually solve a problem. They don't only chase trends. And also a huge part of dropshipping is advertising. So most beginners, they rely on TikTok ads, Facebook ads, or influencer promotions. But ads, they cost a lot of money and they require a lot of testing. Like, you might have to spend a few hundred at least before you even really know if a product's going to work or not. And if you don't understand marketing, you're basically gambling with ad spend. And many beginners, they run out of money before they find a winning product. And another massive reason that you really need to focus on and why so many fail is because the website is terrible. Common problems with the website looking bad is copied product descriptions or low quality images, slow shipping promises, or really generic branding. So customers today, they're a lot smarter. If a store looks untrustworthy, people leave immediately. People will compare your store with Amazon or big retailers or established brands. So if your store looks rushed or cheap, then your conversion rates will collapse. There's also the problem with shipping and supply problems. Many dropshipping products, they ship from overseas suppliers, and this can lead to long shipping times, lost packages, poor product quality, or refund requests. And beginners often underestimate how much time customer service takes. And if customers are unhappy, refunds, they eat into your profit margins very quickly. Also, another massive mistake is people treat dropshipping stores like a super quick win. Instead of building a real brand, they chase viral products, they copy competitors, or they abandon stores really quickly. But successful e-commerce businesses, they focus on branding, they focus on niche audiences, repeat customers, or long-term marketing. Dropshipping can work, but only if you treat it like a real business. The best way to approach it is to really look into the individual components of how to run dropshipping like a business. So you want to look into marketing, you want to look into logistics and branding and product research. If you can find a gap that no one's really touched on, then you're in a great position. You do want to have a budget for advertising. You want to be able to spend a good amount of money to see if something works. If you start with absolutely nothing, you can find ways to make it work, but that usually involves building an audience or a platform elsewhere. So if you're able to build up a presence on social media, then that will work. But a lot of people, they do struggle with this because it's very difficult. So if you're going to go the advertising route, you need to have some level of budget there, at least a few hundred. You also want to invest in the website. If you get an actual developer to work on it, then it should be able to match some of the bigger brands. Most dropshipping stores, they fail because people really underestimate how difficult it can be. So it's not impossible, but it does require research, patience, marketing skills, and realistic expectations. If you approach it properly, it can still be a very powerful business model, but if you expect easy money, it probably won't work. And if you go for it, be consistent with it. But let me know your experience of dropshipping and leave a comment below. And as always, if you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.